My name is Jennifer Silva. I am an industrial engineering. Let's start the activity where they ask me a question and an interview. Good afternoon, Jennifer Silva. Can you teach me a little bit more about the skills that you transfer from your previous line of work to our department here? Awareness. Good afternoon. Sure, education is all, but making the customer or student feel comfortable and helping the growth. I felt the waiting the company like decent is decent philosophy, getting a customer comfortable with the product in helping the growth as they advance in whether the sport they happen to be participation in. Bye. Thank you very much.